start with the foundation that I use today. It is L'Oreal 24 Hour Infallible. L'Oreal Infallible Stay Fresh Foundation 24 hours, right? So it claims that it is 24 hours staying foundation. I am in the shade Golden Beige 140 that I use today. I really like the finish because it is medium to visible coverage and it looks very fresh. It does not cling to my dry patches, though I don't have any dry patch like that. Still, so I like the foundation. Coming to the powder that I use today, L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Perfecting Powder that I used in this shade. Do I have a shade here? Yeah, it's again Golden Beige. It's a nice powder, very creamy, very buttery, and does not dry out my skin at all. And I feel it's a good affordable product that anybody can have. Plus point is it has a mirror again that will make it travel friendly. The mirrors are the most important things in girls' lives. I believe that. Okay, now coming to the primer that I use today, it is from Lakme. I can't believe you guys. Lakme came with this very nice primer. It just blurs out all my pores and it has a slight tint of pink that I really like because it acts as color corrector. It's really very smooth finish and it does not give you that silicone texture. I like it. It's a nice product and MRP of this one is $299. It's so chotu motu sa. I really liked it. I used today this mascara from L'Oreal. It is Lash. The name is Voluminous Lash Paradise. It is a nice mascara, guys. I was shocked when I used it. First, it's my first purchase because I have already used Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. That is also a nice mascara, but this is sort of a dupe for Too Faced Within Sex Mascara, and I really liked it. Beautiful mascara. You should have it if you are looking for a mascara, then go for it. You will not regret it. Today I again used this bronzer from L'Oreal. It is a matte bronzer, completely matte bronzer, and it comes only in one shade, I guess, because I got it from Nykaa and I got it on sale for 600 rupees only. See, this is a beautiful color. Let me take this off. I don't know, it is still here. Okay, let's roll with it. It is a beautiful color for the medium to light skin tone, I feel. It blends seamlessly. You cannot identify where the powder begins, where the contour begins or where it ends. And I really like the creamy texture of this. Nice product. The next face product that I use today is Flower Beauty Blush. It is called as Flower Pots Powder Blush Sweet Pea. It claims it has a satin finish that I agree. It really blends like a dream. It is very creamy, very buttery. I cannot believe that drugstore can have this beautiful offer. I don't know if you can see this beautiful offer product. Really nice. I am thinking to buy some more color in this range because it is really nice. What do you call it, blush? You can use it on daily basis. कभी अगर इधर उधर जाना है और कुछ हैवी नहीं लगाना है फेस पे and not even the base, then you can go for it. It will give you a very regular day or day-to-day finish. The very much hype product is this Chotu bottle. It's called Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Oh my god, it is really nice concealer that will remove all your dark circles, any kind of scarring that you have, any blemishes. See, I used it today and I do not see any kind of grayish noise or any kind of, you know, imperfection in my skin. Though I do not have any kind of dark scarring on my face, but still, it's a nice concealer to have because if you are looking for a nice concealer in drugstore, then I would recommend Maybelline to go for because Maybelline has some nice, some nice concealers. I again used it on my eyelids to prime it, and I think it just works fine because my eyeshadow sits properly on it. It does not budge till yet. It's been around 2 hours now. Around 500 something or 450 you can get on sales too. So I would recommend it. Oh, I would highly recommend it. Coming to the eyes. This is the Swiss Beauty palette, guys, and it's like quad palettes of Huda Beauty options. See, it's highly pigmented. You can get a full color payoff in just one coat. Really nice. See, I'm going to show you some swatches. And today I use this color, which is bomb.com. This pinky shade is really nice. See, I cannot believe drugstore can have this good of a eyeshadow palette, and it's only for 230 or something. Very nice. It is in the variant 02. Very nice eyeshadow palette. If you are a beginner like me, then go for it and save you some money. Again, the next palette I used today just to build my crease. I used this and this color, and it is from Makeup Revolution London, and the variant I am using here is Division Reloaded palette. It is highly recommended, guys. Damn pigmented, इतना ज़्यादा कलर इसका अच्छा है that you will just आपके आईलिड्स पे आप एक ही बार में अगर आप स्वैप करोगे तो पूरा आपको इसका कलर पे ऑफ मिलता है. वेरी नाइस कलर पे ऑफ इन दिस प्राइस. आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम I think from Nykaa in 990 something, but you will get it on sale much cheaper. But I would suggest if you're looking for a nice colorful eyeshadow, then eyeshadow palette, then you must buy it. Very nice eyeshadow palette. But see, you are getting 15 eyeshadows only in 900 rupees, so I think you must try it because it has some beautiful colors like a yellow or orange, and this coil shade is bombdecay.com. And again, this is also a foil shade. If you want to see the swatches of these palettes separately, then do let me know. I will make a video on this also. Coming to the lips, I use this Wet n Wild lip liner, Color Icon lip liner, and it is in the shade Chestnut, I guess. It is a beautiful dark brown lip liner. It's like chocolate. You are rubbing chocolate on your lips. I felt like that. It is a very beautiful color. It glides like anything. It gives you an opaque lining if you are having any kind of pigmentation around your lips, or your lips are much your lips are little darker, you can use this, and it is a very nice. You can use it on its own, but I would really like to top up some light colors on it. Nice product, go for it if you're looking for a nice lip liner, and it is very cheap. I think I got it in within 200 rupees or something. Okay, now थोड़ा लिपस्टिक की बात कर लेते हैं. So I use today NYX lip lingerie in the shade Exotic. This is a very nude color and थोड़ा सा reddish है, rusty types इसका color है थोड़ा. But I was looking for something in between pink and brown because to match with my eyes. So I mixed it with PAC Retro Matte Gloss, and it's in the shade Adore. Actually, I got this from Nykaa again, and it is my new purchase. This is not my new purchase because I bought it in March, I think, but I used it today only because it was just sitting in my vanity waiting for me to try it out. I have another shade in this range again, that is called Seduction. That is again a nude color and beautiful color. If you are looking for a nude colors and you are around my skin tone or lighter than me, you should try it. And in this also, both of these are very nice nude colors. So now look bomb.com on you because it will just give you a nice nude lips for any occasion, and it will go with any eye makeup you see. I think I do not have any kind of messes because I just shopped for the best sellers in this video. So this is the PAP पैक का क्या बोलते हैं, लैश ग्लू. Let me show you guys. So this is a bottle and this is the outer packaging. I think this is costing, I think this retails for around 395. Yes, this is retail for 395. अब मैंने इतने का ही लिया था क्योंकि इस पर कुछ भी ऑफर नहीं था. Then ये थोड़ा वाइटिश कलर का है, बट when you will apply it on the lash band ना, तो it will not, आप उसको देख नहीं पाओगे बिकॉज ट्रांसपेरेंट है. एंड आई फील इट्स रियली नाइस लैश ग्लो बिकॉज टिल नाउ माई लैशेज आर नॉट मूविंग हियर एंड देयर, एंड एक ही बार में मतलब अच्छे से वो स्टिक हो जाता है. एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू यूज़ अ वेरी नाइस लैश ग्लू. फॉल्सीज के साथ प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि इफ़ यू आर नॉट यूजिंग अ नाइस लैश ग्लू देन दे मे फॉल ऑफ एंड अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. बीच में अगर इवेंट के किसी, अगर आपको लैशेज निकल रहे हैं देन इट कैन मेक योर आईज इरिटेटिंग. सो आई रियली लाइक द लैश ग्लू. मस्ट बाय इट अगेन. if you do not want to spend this much then you can go for Miss Clear one also. वो भी अच्छा है. आई हैव यूज्ड इट एंड आई थिंक वो मेरा ख़त्म हो गया है, सो आई गॉट दिस वन न्यू. फॉर लैशेज आई यूज दिस. ये नायका से है लैश टॉप एंड द वेरिएंट आई यूज इज OTT लेंथ. Max Length Defined Lashes. It is very light and yet a very voluminous and wispy lashes I think, because काफ़ी अच्छा लुक आ रहा है. और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मेरी आंखें पूरी तरह से ढक गई हैं. काफ़ी you can see my eyebrows through eyebrows, you can see my eyeshadow through. इतना अनरियलिस्टिक नहीं लग रहा है. From PAC Professional Eyelashes. This is in the variant M83. That one of Mica ones costed me 169 rupees, and but ये वाली जो है ये थोड़ी आपको कॉस्टली पड़ सकती है बिकॉज इसके ऊपर कुछ भी तो ऑफर नहीं था. एंड सेकेंडली इट्स फ्रॉम पैक एंड आई डोंट थिंक पैक हैव लॉट्स ऑफ ऑफर्स ऑन एनी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स. ये थोड़ी डार्क है, मतलब थोड़ी वॉल्यूमिनस भी है, लेंदी भी है. सो आई थॉट this would be too dramatic for today's look, so I went for that one only. I think it is also a nice lash, but I feel it's only good for party and for wedding seasons. If you're going anywhere really full glam and all out, then you can wear this. Nice purchase, I think. So I feel I have covered all of products now. So guys, I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And please let me know in the comment section what do you want me to do next, and if any feedbacks are there, I would love to hear that, because it's all about the feedbacks that I can imply and improve on. And I really like doing this video, and I am new be in this community, so I would really need your support. So please subscribe, do not forget. Love you guys, see you next time. Take care, bye, happy weekend.